Hey, good evening, students. So, I welcome you all in my English class, and today we will continue with the rest of the exercises of at the zoo. Okay, because yesterday we were doing at the zoo the rest of the question answers. So, today we will try to complete the rest of the exercises. So, the B4, what is it is written? The animals in the zoo prepare a poster to be put on the gate outside the zoo, but they have left some blanks in it. Write do and don'ts in the blanks to give the correct message. Add 2 instructions of your own to the list. That is, do take care of what you say, don't make fun of us, don't laugh at us, don't pass bad remarks, do treat us well, don't disturb us, don't harm animals. These are the rules which are followed in the zoo. If you want, you can add more points as a rules, you can write it. Next one, notice the rhyming words in each stanza. Fill in the blanks with appropriate rhyming words. Do, zoo, hum, bump, chimpanzee, me, lake, make, do, zoo. Okay. Next one. Suppose we add a new stanza to the poem. Read the lines and fill in the blanks with rhyming words with a box given. You select only 2 words. See, there are so many words, but I have selected 2 words. If you want to put or change the words, you can change it, but according to the meaningful sentence. Okay, like I have written, the relaxing tiger do not trouble, for he is peaceful animal, he hates a loud noise. You can also write the relaxing lion, he and hates a loud voices. This can be also written. Okay, so it's a fun to enjoy nature, but you don't want your fun to spoil as an animal's habitat. Follow these simple rules. What are the rules? Leave plants where you find them. Do not pick wildflowers. Do not harm the eggs, young ones of animal. Keep to the path meant for walking. Never start a fire. Always take litter home. Okay. What is the life skill question? What would you do if you see some children teasing animals in the zoo? As per my view, I'll say, if see many children teasing animals, firstly I'll stop them. I'll tell them not to tease them, not to harm them. Otherwise, you will be harmed by them, or you will be facing great trouble. Okay, they may harm you. You don't know. Any accident can happen. Okay, if any animal gets irritated, they'll simply threat you. Then what you will do? So it's our duty not to harm or not to disturb or not to tease any animal in the zoo. Okay. Next one, what precaution should the visitors take while moving around the zoo? Precaution should be taken. Firstly, we should maintain a distance. From the animal home, so that we will be safe enough. Otherwise, if you will be too close to that animal, we will never know that when the animal will hit you, and you will never know. Many examples we know, many examples have happened. One example I will share with you. In the Delhi Zoo, we all know, it was in the news also highlighted, that one boy fell down in the lion's cave, right, in the zoo. The lion just eat him up. Okay, and he was not alive. It's the best example I am giving you. That is the reason we should maintain distance from the animals. Okay, so I hope this questions has been understood by you. Try to write down listening the points whatever I have said in this video, and I hope you will be able to write, because I have said only the easy points, not the toughest points. So I hope you will be able to write. Okay, so this are the related the chapter, and after the latest chapter, the cannery, we have all done it. Okay, so I am going once again from the previous chapter. Okay, this is your book. This is the chapter I speak, I say, I talk. We have all done this chapter. Okay, I have already done with this exercises. Okay, I am just giving it this because I hope you will be all able to recollect it and you will able to write. Okay, whatever the exercises you have left, whatever the exercises is not done, you can catch from this video. Okay, we have already done it. You already know the you already know the portion also. Okay, if not you will be ready, you will be knowing. Okay, but as per what I have taught, you will get all these things in the portion. Okay, so as well as your in holiday homework, whatever chapters have been taught, this will be in your holiday homework. So I kindly request you all, please go through the video. If any snaps is missing of the book, please go through the video. Okay, so that you will be easily accessible and you will be not in any confusion. Okay, so these are the chapters. That's why I am again recording it and making a video of it, so that if anything left you can easily write it down. Okay, if anything left out you can easily write it down. So one by one. Yes, A9, A10. For the A9 I have explained in the previous video, but still I have got the copies, but nobody has written A9. But I have explained so many points in the video. When I shared the A9 A10 explanation video, I have shared so many points, but nobody of you have written. Please try once again, listen that video, try and write down the points, and after that I'll help you out. I have given so many points in that video. Okay, so these are the, and 18 I have written already. Okay, whatever will be coming in your exam, whatever till covered, that will be your portion. Okay, or in the holiday homework, this will be your portion, so that don't get confused. In the practice book I have already completed naming words, replacing words, and the next chapter also, after these two chapters. Please check it once again. Okay, we have all done this. Okay, so I hope that you people will not get confused. If any confusion, I am there to help you out. My number is with you all. You can call me and you can ask me. Okay, whatever problem is there. Please don't be in confusion. Write down the question answers, every exercises which I have made you solved. From the dolphin, if A9 I have explained in that video, please check that video and try to write. After that I'll help you out. Okay, and I have explained easy points, so try to write down the easy points which I have explained in that video. Okay, so I hope is this clear to all of you. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. If not, then I am there to help you out. No need to worry about. Okay, so by this I am ending my class, and I hope you have all understood whatever instructions I have given you. Okay, and very soon the holiday homework and the portion will be circulated in the group tomorrow. After that I will be able to know, and you will be also able to know what is the portion or what is the schedule, and I hope you will be able to solve it. That's why I am saying please work hard, study hard, because during the holidays your exams will be conducted, so be prepared for this. Okay, so I'm ending the class for now. So bye all of you, take care, and Have a very nice day. Bye students, take care.